What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fly helicopter in Battlefield 6 for PC. So first of all, join a server where you can practice freely. So the server I prefer is this one. Firstly, go to the community tab, then select search experiences, type heli, then filter it by most liked, then select this server, then click on host, scroll down here and select host locally so that no online player will be here to disturb you and no one can shoot you down. And you can find multiple helicopters here, bunch of jets are here as well. So I wanna fly this helicopter, and to do that we need to go towards it, then press E on your keyboard to enter this helicopter. After that press escape key to check its controls. Now go to options, then go to mouse and keyboard. Now we need to go to the helicopter pilot keybinds and check all of these controls from here so that it will make us easy to fly. Then go back from here. Now there are two ways you can fly a helicopter. If you wanna fly it with your keyboard, then you can do that. In case you wanna fly it with your keyboard and mouse, then you can do that with that combination as well. So I wanna fly it with my keyboard and mouse, and to do that press escape key again, then go to options, then go to gameplay tab, scroll down here and you will find this option under vehicles, which is helicopter control assist. If this option is on, then it means that you can fly your helicopter using your keyboard and mouse, which is in my case. If you wanna fly it without your mouse, then turn that option off, then you will be able to fly your helicopter without your mouse. I wanna fly it with my mouse as well, so for that I'll toggle this option on. Now go back from here. Now to fly our helicopter upwards, we need to hold down spacebar on our keyboard like so, and then our helicopter will take off. If you wanna fly forward, then hold down the W key on your keyboard and then it will fly forward. Keep holding your spacebar so that it will have some momentum as well. Now to take a right turn, we can keep holding down our D key on our keyboard while holding our W key as well, so that we will take a right turn sharply. If you wanna take a left turn, then keep holding your A key on your keyboard. If you hold down spacebar, then your helicopter will have some fly upward momentum as well. And now in case you wanna change your direction without pressing any key, then you can use your mouse as well. So as you can see, if I change my mouse position, then the direction of my helicopter is changing as well without pressing any of the button. And now if I wanna go down, then I can hold down control key on my keyboard to take my helicopter down as well. Don't hold it straight away so that it don't crash your helicopter straight away. Just keep tapping the control key and then your helicopter will go down slightly like this, and then you can land it easily. Again hold spacebar on your keyboard to make your helicopter upwards, then use the A key to take your left turn, and holding W key on your keyboard will make your helicopter fly forward. So this is the process you can follow to fly your helicopter. In case you wanna fly any missiles, then press 2 key on your keyboard and then it will switch your missile, and then aim by holding the right click on your mouse, and then you can fly it using the left click on your mouse like this. Now I wanna switch my missile, so for that I can press the 1 key on my keypad like this, and then the missile will be changed and I can fire it by pressing left click on my keyboard like so. So you can fly your missiles like this. And now if you wanna change your camera, then press the C key on your keyboard and then the camera will be changed like this. Now in case you wanna dodge some bullets from your opponent, then we just have to tap A and D key rapidly like this, and then we can dodge our opponent's bullets like so. Now I wanna land my helicopter. For that I'll just gently tap control key on my keyboard and the helicopter will be landed. So this is the complete process to fly your helicopter on your PC. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.